this is a quick review for a Funpower rifle gun cleaning kit for 5.56 millimeter, .223, 22 long rifle, or .22 caliber weapon that you have. I bought this because it looks familiar. I was in the service for almost 30 years, and I got this rifle this summer because of a coyote problem. It's a Ruger 10-22 long rifle. I bought the Ruger cleaning kit on Amazon, got it here, opened it up, and it was trash. It looked cool, but the parts didn't stay together. I should have did a negative review on that and showed you what was wrong with it, but I'm not a fan of that. I did a review in the comments section on Amazon for it. But I grabbed this one because it looked familiar. If anyone's been in the service before, it just came, so I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's inside. Standard. This looks like it's military. That's why I gravitated towards it. Some cleaning pads, large. There's the oil bottle, but there's no oil in it because it's loose. Cleaning brush. It's like a couple, these all look familiar. Copper rod cleaning stuff. I can't believe there's no oil in there. And then the rods. So we'll zip one of these in there. Yeah, this is gonna work. This actually looks just like ones that the armorer in the supply room gave you. The only problem I had, there's no small cleaning pads. Like the little square ones, half this size. And ironically, you can see that. I'm not real happy with that. But it's just a basic gun cleaning kit. So if you're looking at buying one of these, I guess I recommend it. I'm not going to ram this down the barrel. The Ruger kit that I looked at, when you put this tip on, the threads weren't the same. So I ran the rod down and it got stuck because it came apart. So I had to fish it out of there and send it back. So that's it. Maybe this will help somebody. Wish there was some oil in there, but it did not spill inside here because it's dry. There you go, another made in China sticker. Unbelievable. That's it. Hopefully this helps somebody.